How to sell your cryptos on Coinbase. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can sell your cryptos on Coinbase. In order to sell a cryptos on Coinbase, you'll need to first of all log in into your Coinbase account. So after you're logged into your account, first of all, you need to select the Bitcoin that you wish to sell, and for that you need to copy the wallet address. In order to do this procedure, you need to tap on the wallet tab located right in between in the left hand side bar. Next, you'll be able to see receive or send in the right hand side bar. After that, you need to click on the receive button. You'll need to click on the Bitcoin. After that, you need to copy the wallet address. You can just download the QR code, or you can just copy the wallet address, which is right at the bottom. Next page, you need to go to deposit, or you need to go to sell. After that, you need to select from where you're actually making a transaction and to which account you're making the transaction. So enter in the details and then enter in the amount as well, and enter the exact amount of Bitcoin that you're making, and then enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency that you're transferring. Once you've done that, click on the sell Bitcoin button right at the bottom, and then you've successfully sold your Bitcoin. In this way, you can sell cryptos on Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.